All right, welcome you guys. Let's take a look at number 5. So they're very specific on how they want you to do it. It says use intercepts to graph. And I noticed that if you don't and you use like y equals mx plus b or a table, that it does mark you off. So they really want you to use intercepts. So remember that in order to find the x-intercept, you've got to let y be 0. And in order to find the y-intercept, you've got to let x be 0. So the first time around, we're going to put a 0 in for the y. And the second time around, we're going to put a 0 in for the x. Sorry, guys. Get that off there. Oops, that is a y. Okay, so remember, 0 times anything is 0. So this piece is going to cancel. And so is this piece right here. 9 times 0 is also 0. Okay. So what we're left with is 9x equals 27. So to get rid of the 9, so we can isolate the x, since the 9 is multiplying, we're going to divide to get rid of it. Always doing opposites. And 27 divided by 9 is 3. So 3, 0 is one of our points. So 3, 0, since they're counting by 2s on this graph over here, 2, 4, right? So it's going to be about halfway in between on that one square right there. All right, now let's take a look at the second one. We have negative 3y equals 27. To get, since that negative 3 is multiplying by the y, we're going to divide to get rid of it. So we have y equals negative 9. So remember, x was 0. That's what we plugged in for the x. And so the y is going to be your negative 9. So if we go to that point, we're going to go down on the y-axis. Remember, we're counting by 2s. So this is 8 right here, and this is 10 right here. So 9 is going to be right in between 8 and 10. So that's going to be our line for this particular problem. So now let's go in and try to put it into my math lab or Pearson. So click to enlarge. We said we'll do the line function, and we're going to go to 3, 0, and we're going to go to negative 9. Now, I do want to point out that how to get fractional points if you want it. You just double or click on the point, and you can edit the coordinate. Oops, see how it went to 3, 1? It's 3, 0, right? So I can just type it in. That's something you're going to use a lot during the class, and I'll probably show you guys again in another video, but let's see if this is good to go. Looks good. So they're super specific. You had to do it using intercepts on this particular problem. So hopefully this helps you with number 5. Take care, guys.